Hey everybody, and welcome to English 1101 online with me, Miss G. I am so happy and excited to welcome you to our course. I wanted to come on here and do a quick video overview of how to navigate through the course. So we will get started right here. Right now, there are no announcements. But you will want to make sure that you are checking this space. Every week I will have announcements come up that remind you of the tasks that are due that week. Everything will be hyperlinked, and then I'll come on from time to time and just remind you that tasks are due. So you want to make sure that you are following the announcements. So if you come up here, you can see our toolbar for the course. If you look in content, I have everything laid out here in the table of contents. We have the start here, introduction section. This is where my welcome video is, the syllabus, the student health acknowledgement form, and lots of other documents that you do want to make sure that you are clicking through. Here are just some support services. So you do want to, like I said, make sure that you click through these and review these. For the next couple weeks, we will be in Unit 1. So we also have the course schedule here, and I will be hyperlinking all of your assignments right into here. So you can go into the course schedule and it will take you right to items within the course. So everything will be hyperlinked. Let's go back into content, and we are here looking in the units. So the course is broken down into 3 units. We have Unit 1, Introduction to Composition, Unit 2, Public Writing, Unit 3, Academic Writing, and Unit 4, Personal Writing. So we haven't started these Unit 3, 2, and 4 yet, so you can't get into this stuff yet. But we do want to start right here in Unit 1. This is one of your first assignments. It's called the Writing Diagnostic, and that's because it will diagnose where you are at with your writing. So this is one of the first tasks. You can see it's due January 23rd, so you do want to make sure that you get that done some point this week. Also, you can see the assignments and where you'll submit the assignments here under this tab. All right, we also have weekly discussion posts, so you can go into discussion and they are labeled by the week. So you'll be able to look through and look at the weekly discussions. We do have 4 quizzes total, and these are based entirely on the assigned readings. So you do want to make sure that you are completing the assigned readings before you go in and take these quizzes. And then finally, we do have grades. All right, and so here are where the grades are listed out, and you can see what you are getting on each assignment. All right, so that's that for now. And so hopefully this video navigation kind of gives you an idea of how to navigate around through this course. Like I said, this announcement section is going to be a great place for you to find everything that you need to get done that week and also that course schedule. So I'm looking forward to a great term with you guys. Have an awesome week. And as always, email me if you guys need anything at all. Have a great day. Bye.